said, this is a quick little math tutorial on two-digit subtraction in case that is something that you have not mastered yet. Second graders, go get a piece of paper and something to write with. The back side of one of your packet pages would be fine to use. Get a piece of paper and something to write with so you can practice these as I do them. And parents, while they're gathering their supplies, I would like to explain to you the term new math is nothing really to be afraid of. In new math, the children still add two-digit numbers or subtract two-digit numbers the same way you always did. It's just different vocabulary that we use, and we have them understand that they're not just carrying one, they're carrying a 110, or not borrowing one, but borrowing 110. And we do that by introducing them to place value drawings first, of which I'll show you as we're working here today. So let's get started. Let's start with the problem 53 minus 29. And actually, before we try subtraction, let's do addition. So make that minus sign a plus sign. Let's show our parents what we learned in addition, in adding these two-digit numbers together. And let's start with that place value drawing that I told you about. So 53 is 5 tens and 3 ones. And we show that this way. 5 tens and 3 ones. 29 is obviously then 2 tens and 9 ones. So, first thing we can do is count out 10 ones and group them together to make a new 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So draw a circle around 10 of those. And that represents a new 10. So how many ones are not circled? 1, 2. So we have 2 ones left over. And let's show that over here. 3 plus 9 is 12. And 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. And then the way that we show that in this addition problem is 1 10 and 2 ones. Then how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are new 10. 8. Let's see if that's right. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus our new 1 is 8. So 53 plus 29 is 82. All right, very good. Let's try those same numbers as a subtraction problem. So write down 53 minus 29. Alright, now for this, let's just make a place value drawing for the top number, the 53. And remember that's 5 tens, 3 ones. Now for 53 minus 29, we have 3 ones minus 9 ones, and obviously we can't do that. So one thing that, what we're showing your children is that if we take one of these tens and change it into 10 ones, now we have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones, so we can take 9 away. And the way we're showing that over here is in the tens column, we're going to take 1 10 away, just like we did here. So we have 4 tens left. And then we're going to add those, change that 1 10 into 10 ones and add it to our ones, so we'll have a total of 13 ones.
So now 13 minus 9, and we could do that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves us how many ones are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. You can do the same thing on the tens. Now we have 4 tens, and we need to take 2 tens away. How many tens are left? 2 tens. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 53 minus 29 is 24. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try 62. Take away 15. Do a place value drawing again for the top number, 62. 6 tens, 2 ones. All right, so we have 2 take away 5. Can't do that. So once again, take one of these tens and change it into 10 ones. Because 10 is 10 ones. Okay, same thing over here. We have 6 tens. If we take one away, we have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we take that 10, turn it into 10 ones, and now we have 10, 11, 12. 2 plus 10, 12. So 12, take away 5. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's count how many ones are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12, take away 5. 7. All right, now the tens. We get 5 tens, take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Take 1 away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 take away 1. 4. 47. Hopefully that's what you got. All right, I'm going to give you another one, then I'm going to give you a minute to work it. All right, so get ready. Let me get this erased first. Let's flip that board over, use the cleaner side. Okay, here we go. Let's do 71 take away 36. Okay. So if you need the place value drawing, go ahead and draw that. But if you know what you're doing and you don't need it, you just can borrow from the tens, change it into 10 ones and add it to the ones, and then start your subtracting. Go ahead and do that. Work that problem out. All right, I'm going to start it here and let's see if you got the same answer. I'm going to show you it with the place value drawing. 71, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 1. So 1 take away 6, I can't do that. So once again, I'm going to turn that 10 into 10, borrow that 10, you know, like you say, borrow that 10, I'm going to take that 10, turn it into 10 ones. And do the same thing over here. I'm going to take away one of those 10s, and when I do, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s left. Take that 10, turn it into 10 ones, and then I'm going to have 10, 11 ones. Now 11 take away 6. do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 take away 6, 5. Same thing with the 10s. 6 take away 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. Let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3. 6 take away 3 is 3. 35. I hope that's what you got. One more. This time we'll do it without the place value drawing. Alright, you ready? Do a big number. 92 take away 77. Like I said, we're not going to do place value drawing this time. First thing we do, 2 take away 7. We can't do that, so go to your 10s. If you have 9 10s and you take 1 away, you have 8 left. That 10 then becomes 10 ones. It's added to the ones column. 10 plus 2 is 12. Subtract your ones. 12 minus 7 equals 5. And 8 minus 7 equals 1. 15. All right, keep practicing that. You can make up your own problems. Have someone make some up for you to challenge you. Just make sure that the number in the ones column in the lower number is bigger than the number above it, so that you have to challenge yourself and borrow. You could even practice some addition problems. Take those same problems and turn them into addition problems. All right? Keep practicing.